You've turned that back on again, haven't you?
No, I have not.
You have to. I was trying to have a... I was remembering there's a sound. Talking about a vibration.
Yeah.
There's a sound attached to your name that I learned. I was actually coached in. This is all that wacky JCDC part of the DB, as you know, Yahweh, the name and the vibration of it, but it has a particular sound that was literally... Right, remember we talked about the sound of...
Well, who is it that's saying you can't say the name, the sacred name? The Jews, perhaps?
Yes.
The Pharisees, the ones that have the Talmud, that has child molestation as being part of their agenda?
Yeah. But I'm
they say don't use the word Yahweh?
Yeah, but I'm talking about a sound, and that's... It's a sound. Now, this is bringing back... This has to do with the feminine. Shh!
Yes.
Shh!
That's right.
That was all coming back to me because I learned that sound. I was coached
There's
in it.
old Peak down there. I better get a shot of him, eh?
He's magnificent.
Before he wanders away. Oh, he's behind the thing, just at the right moment. There's the plough. Something about Isaiah's in the plough, isn't it? There he is, coming back out.
Oh,
come on, Peak.
Turning our weapons into plows.
Come on. Like a pet dog, isn't he? He's wandering up very slow. So, oh, I've got something to eat. Magnificent bird of Australia. There's another magnificent bird of Australia.
Anyway, I have to develop that further because I've got to go back into, and it has to do with the Hebrew alphabet, but it's the sound, the resonation of that sound has to do with the feminine.
Absolutely.
God. And how it was that sound that literally brought about the creation, like from the thought.
You're quite right.
Yes. So anyway.
I was there, I remember. Now there's a bit of handiwork right there. Look at that magnificent creature.
And of course we've still got the duck here. Speaking of duck.
Come on, Pig, what are you doing? So what do you got to eat for me, eh? Want something to eat? Show us your tail. Of course the mating season is over, he's not too keen on throwing his tail up now. But he might. Oh, a little ant, that'll do. He'd be the best part of 3 metres long. You were saying?
Oh, no. Well, that's it for now. I'm getting hungry. Oh, I've got to eat. But that sound, no, I'm just remembering the significance of that sound. It's huge.
Yeah, well, the ladies of the earth should learn it, and the men should learn Yahweh.
It's that, yeah, because I need to tell you, things are coming back. All the information that it's given me.
Yeah.
Well, with the information, the knowledge, and the information, and just...
well, that's why I never prompt you. It's got to be spontaneous. Have I prompted you at all?
No, not at all. No, he does that. He's the ultimate seed planter. It's just things are spoken in conversation, and I always go back over in my mind to recall, because I know that it's seed, and it's planted, and then it speaks to my soul, and then my soul, it's my soul that comes into the understanding and begins to, well, it's remembrance. It's amazing, actually, because...
That one little word here and there, just in conversation, that sort of...
Oh, boom.
Hey, boom, boom.
Boom. When I
I'll give an example of that. Food.
Boom. No, before I found Brian, I was known, like I was living in North America, Canada and the USA, and people that knew me over there knew me for my habit of I'd get excited and I'd be explaining something, a thread of thought, and then I'd finish the conversation with boom. Like, you know, you get it, boom. Well, you know, the night I'm watching you, you're explaining your thread of thought, and you finish it just with a boom. And I'm going, oh my God, there's not another person on the planet that
No
does
one
that.
says that.
No, you say boom at the end of your conversations. And then, yes, the next. You don't get next. Moving right along. Next. Anyway, but the sound is something we have to develop.
I say that for people who are caught in the agony of their Christian beliefs or Muslim beliefs, and they're married to some asshole, and they might ask me what I think, and I say next.
Next. Yes, that's right.
Drop the son of a bitch
Yeah.
and move on.
You know, or I know how Christians travail staying together because they believe that God hates divorce. I've got news for you. God was the creator of divorce. Like, he divorced Israel back in the Old Testament for their... And you know, if you're strung up with somebody who is truly an asshole, whatever, and it's a two-way street, male or female, next.
That's right.
Don't waste precious time and love.
It's all to do with love.
Love.